Hey everyone, I'm Michael, and in today's video I wanted to show you about this Surf program where once you get up to 750 points, you will automatically get 2,000 points if you use the link in the description below. If you don't use the link, no problem, you can start collecting points today, but once you get up to the 2,000 points, you can then redeem those 2,000 points for an Amazon gift card or any other type of gift card that you want. You can come up here and click on rewards to view all the different rewards. You can see that there is quite a selection, and the very minimum that you need to have is 2,000 points. This is worth $10. So I wanted to show you really quickly how to get close to that 750 points that you need in order to get the 2,000 that you got from using my referral link. Down here when you sign up, it says you create an account, you get 150 points. You complete the extension tutorial. I'm not quite sure what that is, so let's check that out together. And you'll get 150 points doing that. And then if you complete your profile, you'll get 300 points. So right off the bat, by doing these three simple things, you'll be able to get up to 600 points, and all you would need to do is get 150 points more, and then you would automatically get a $10 Amazon gift card or any other gift card that's worth $10. So let's go ahead and come down here and click on complete my profile to get these 300 points. So let's go ahead. What are my favorite brands? Apple, Disney, and Netflix. Continue. I am in the Salt Lake City area, so I'll type in Salt Lake City. And there you go. Look how easy that was. 450 points. All we have left is to complete the tutorial on how to download and install the extension. So let's see how that works. So I've got the extension installed up here. Oh, right here. So once you install the extension, all you have to do is come down here and click Start Tutorial. Okay. Points are earned by browsing and referring friends. Redeem your points for any reward from our rewards marketplace. Simple enough. Pause surf to not share any browsing data. While paused, you don't get any points, so that's fine. Just leave it enabled. Don't pause it if you want points. See the data that Surf has collected. Remove any history items that you don't want to share within 24 hours. Okay, easy enough. And you have the ability to delete any data you've browsed in the last 24 hours. So we have roughly a 1 hour delay on points hitting your account. Simple enough. Click Finish. And now if we go back to this page and refresh, we should have 600 points. And it's really all so simple. Once you sign up today, you have to get up to 750 points in order to get these 2,000 points. And as you can see, in just like 3 minutes, I was able to get 600 points. All you have to do is get another 150 points, and then you automatically qualify for this $10 gift card. You can do it with Amazon, Uber Eats, American Red Cross. You can see that there's a bunch of different options down here. There's even a Visa prepaid gift card. And if you want to come down once you receive the 750 points here, and you get the extra bonus 2,000 points, let's say you wanted to redeem for Domino's e-gift card, you would just click on Domino's here. You can see that it's a $10 value. And you would have that 2,000 points, assuming you got up to the 750 points. And once you have those points, you can then come down and click Redeem. The email will get sent out. You'll get your Domino's e-gift card or whatever gift card you want. It's super simple. This is not a scam. I've already been able to redeem for a $10 Amazon gift card, and I'm in the works to be able to receive another two $10 Amazon gift cards. But instead of doing the Amazon gift cards, I am going to scroll down here when I do redeem, because there is a really great deal for Disney Plus. I'm going to redeem for this 14,400 points Disney Plus annual subscription. So if you like Disney Plus, my wife and I love it, we are going to redeem our future points for this Disney Plus subscription. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If you are going to sign up today, use the link down below to get started. It'll give you 2,000 bonus points once you reach 750 points here. And if you come down here to the referral section, it'll show you that once you use my link signing up, both of us will get 2,000 points when you reach your first 750 points. It's really that easy. You can see that I earned 600 points in just a couple of minutes. And if you want to get started today, there's a link down below for your convenience. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. But as always, please give this video a like, please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one, and I will see you guys in the next video.